Hi everyone, we're going to make a pair of earrings today, and these are 20 gauge red brass, and they're 6 inches long. And the beads were so big on that bracelet, I'm afraid that if I use I'm trying to use the same colors, but I don't have the exact same colors. I'm close. I mean, here's the big one. There's the little one. It's close. But instead of putting the dark on the outside, I'm putting the light on the outside because I did not have any dark beads in the smaller color. I mean, any dark beads in a smaller size. So I'm making a loop. And we're just going to go around it one good time. Then I am going to squeeze it up a little bit. And cut it off because we're going to have to go around that again, so I don't want to have a big old bunch of loops up at the top. So that's what we're going to have. And then we're going to take our little one, the spacer. I don't even know if we need the I don't know if we need the spacers or not. But I'm going to put it on there anyway. One of the bigger beads, and then a spacer, and then a little bead, and it'll be that long. This is going to be a long dangly earring, so those of you that like long danglies, this is it. Alright, now the other one. I'm going to go around. And go around it one time. And cut it off. This is when you need 3 hands, so you don't send wire cut flying. But and there we have it. Use one of these, a spacer, the big one, a spacer. And there. So that's what we're going to have. And then I'm going to make a loop down here at the bottom. Roll it around. And we're going to put a heart on. Trying to make it a small little loop down there. And what I am going to do is see if I can hold it here. Alright, we're going to go around that. We're going to go up, around this. Go around that one. And then we're coming up here to the top. if I can get it to wrap around. Alright, I'm going to have to hold it with the pliers. Now, I'm going to leave this end hanging here for a second. And we'll lay that one down like that. Now we're going to have to mirror this. And I'll be... my computer dinged and I didn't know what it was, so... Okay. I'm going to go across there. So this one, we're going to have to go the opposite direction, I think, to make it mirror. So that one's going that way, so this one's going to have to go this way. Let's see. See if I can do this. They might not mirror. So far, so good, but we'll see. Nope, I gotta go the other way. Go that way, go around that one, go around that one, and go around that one. And then we're going to have to hold it here and take it around. Pull it as tight as I can. I was downloading something and I've got an error screen come up on my computer. And it was one of y'all's videos, so I think I twisted that whenever I went around. See if I can fix it. There, it ain't perfect, but twist it again. There, it hangs down now. I got more of a twist on the bottom of this one. Okay, now they're going to lie like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little tail, flush cut the end, I need to bring it around. This one ain't as long as the other one because I guess I did a little boo-boo on the other one. We'll put a little curl there. And we'll put it right there. Probably need to turn that a little bit. Alright. Right there. Now, take this one. Try to get it the same, so we'll cut that about that much off of it. And take the round nose and curl up here. Put it there. They're not going to be identical because they're handmade, so. This. Let's see. But a bit more there. Now, alright, and let's hope that the hole is not bigger than my ball pen. We'll see. I don't think it'll come off. That one looks a lot bigger than the other one. Yeah, I like that one better. Let's see if we can find another one. These are, whenever they make them, they melt the end on them. So, some of them are smaller and some of them are bigger. See how that one looks. Oh yeah, I like that one better. And these are the flimsy metal. Yeah, these are the flimsy metal, so it'll just bend. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it, go around, make a loop. If all wire was that, well, first off, you'd break it every time. But since this is not going to do anything but dangle, I think we'll be good. So, pull it a little bit tighter. And we'll get us a pair of pliers to hold it. And we'll cut it right there. There. And we'll mash it down. Alright, and then this one. Take the round nose, go around. See how flimsy it is? I mean, you can just bend it without even trying. Yeah. Through our hole. And then I'm going to have to hold it. Oh, just dropped it off. Well, I got it so far. Let's hold it with the pliers now. Alright, now get in here and cut it. And I'd say this is 24 gauge wire that these head pins are, because they are thin wire, real thin wire. Get my little ones I can get in here tight. So hopefully I don't break the stone. Okay, now, see how thin that is compared to the other wire? They might be, I think they're 24, but they might be less than that. So, alright, now, take our ear wire, it's opening on the back. I did some earrings earlier, sometime last week, that they were plumb turned sideways, so you can get them any which way. It open on the back, open on the front, or open on the side. And I'm like, what happened to these ear wires? Why are they opening on the side? And that was why. They were made that way. So, these are real long danglies. These are nightclub earrings. But I wanted to do something with them with that, but I didn't have the colors to match the bracelet if I didn't do it like this. So, back in my younger days, I probably would have wore really long. Well, I did wear really long ones. Anyhow, there's our earrings. They weren't going out clubbing. They're not exactly the same. They're handmade, so, you know, that's how it is when they're handmade. But y'all, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.